Hello, hello, hello! Magandang araw! Welcome to my channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno or in short, Mismo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love and light sa inyong Tagalog love reading ngayon na mismo. Okay, so ang gagawin natin ngayon ay ang inyong weekly love reading para sa March 30 to April 5. Time flies, second quarter na ng taon. And tingnan natin kung ano yung energy na masasagap ko from the Sagittarius Collective. Okay. And gusto kong magpasalamat sa lahat ng Sagittarius na patuloy na sumusuporta at sumusubaybay sa Mystico Moreno channel. Please continue to support by liking this video. It helps the channel grow. Okay, comment na rin sa baba kung mag-resonate. And sa mga bago na nakasubaybay, subscribe na rin po kayo para mag-grow yung channel ko at marami pa akong love readings na magawa para sa inyo sa mga susunod pang araw. Muli, maraming salamat. Okay? So, okay, bubunot ako ng 3 cards from this deck. Okay? And that will be the overall energy ng reading niyo for this week, ng inyong love and relationship for this week. Connection nyo with your person. So, tingnan natin. Third card, because it's still March. First card, the world. Nice. Second card, okay, 9 of Wands. And last, okay, the Empress. Very nice naman. So, I see here that this week, yung energy talaga between you and your person is something fulfilling, happy, full of celebration ba? Na, ayaw nyo that this week, walang magiging issue, walang magiging problem. It's very relaxed. Diba? Parang, alam nyo yun, yung, diba pag kompleto yung buhay ninyo, yung feeling na kompleto yung buhay niyo, parang wala na rin kayo masyadong iniisip. Tapos, ano lang, parang happy together lang lagi. Yung mga kaganapan, yung wala overthinking, wala masyadong iniisip, parang at peace lang din. Tapos, happy lang. And dito, yung 9 of Wands is showing here na you have endured so many challenges na rin naman as a couple. And this is because there's a very nurturing energy of this, the Empress. It's a very nurturing love between you and your person. So much abundance, very sensual ang connection ninyo, and happy lang talaga. Challenges are hindi siya nagiging dahilan ng anumang hindi pagkakaunawaan. Parang for you pa nga, ang nakuha kong energy dito na you and your person parang tinitake nyo yung conflict as a learning and as a tool para mag-grow yung relationship. Okay? Kasi nga, full of love naman itong energy na to ni The Empress. And it's, nakikita to sa connection ninyong dalawa. Sige, tingnan natin yung detalye. Bubunot ako ng 10 cards from this deck. And, remind ko lang lahat muli na ang mga readings dito sa channel ay collective reading. So, it may or may not resonate with everyone. Okay, kapag hindi nag-resonate, huwag pilitin. Okay? Abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang reading. So, sana wala nang bashing na bakit ganito yung reading, bakit ganyan. Again, if hindi siya nag-resonate, just leave it behind or take whatever resonates. Abangan nyo na lang yung susunod pang reading. Baka yun ay mag-resonate na at natap ko na yung energy ninyo that, sa reading na yun. Or, panoorin nyo yung mga past videos na na-post ko na baka isa doon ay mag-resonate sa inyo. Kasi, ang tarot and oracle reading naman talaga ay timeless. Alright? So, good vibes lang. Good vibes lang tayo. Okay? Keep the positivity. Diba? Mag-manifest kasi sa inyo yun. Ano yung energy na pinoproject nyo. Okay. So, I'll get 10 cards from this. Third card. First card, the Hierophant. Second card, Three of Cups. Third, King of Wands. Fourth, Strength card. Fifth, Four of Wands. Six of Wands. Page of Cups. Five of Wands. Daming wands, ah. Seven of Cups. And last card, Ten of Pentacles. Okay, just good. And what we don't see coming is the energy of Wheel of Fortune. Super nice. Okay, so you might be dealing with Leo, Aquarius, Taurus, Scorpio, nasabi ko na yung Leo, no? Yeah, so Leo, Taurus, Aquarius, Scorpio, and ayun. So yun yung pinaka-strong na energy na nasasagap sa reading na to. So pwedeng iba pa rin naman, pero check nyo yung placements ng person ninyo. Baka yung Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus nila placements ay yung mga nabanggit kong sign. Okay, sige. Interpret na natin. So there's, as I've said here, very happy naman yung relationship. Any conflict and challenge is maning-manin nyo na lang dahil nga very nurturing yung love between the two of you. And at the moment, there's really this commitment and alignment when it comes to the values of you and your person. Parang yung values nyo talaga nagtutugma. Okay? So, walang magkaiba ng point of view, walang issue, conflict when it comes to mga beliefs, sa relationship lalo na. And there's really this energy of collaboration between the two of you. And yung support na sa isa't isa nandun talaga. Okay? And there's so much happiness between you and your person na yung, alam mo yun nga, the World card here, tapos the Three of Cups is parang you shared this wonderful celebration together. Okay? And nakikita dito sa King of Wands din na yung relationship dynamic ninyo very stable. Parang pareho kayong responsible to, I mean, yung roles nyo, alam nyo talaga kung ano yung mga responsibilities nyo sa relationship. And yeah, it's very strong as shown here by the Strength card. Bukod sa going strong ang relationship, there's resilience din. Kaya nga dito, di ba, you endure the challenges. Kasi very resilient yung connection. And you and your person's personality, ganun talaga. Very resilient. And I can see here that there will be another milestone between the two of you. Yung Four of Wands is a card of milestones. Okay, so baka mag-level up itong relationship. And again, it's a card of celebration, which is nag-resonate din siya dun sa The World card. Tapos, lumabas pa si Six of Wands. Six of Wands is a card of teamwork. And yung, alam mo yun, yung very victorious lang, very happy din talaga yung connection ninyo. So, tapos lumabas din si Page of Cups, which is a card of, alam mo yun, surprises. Di ba? Yung alam nyo na kasi na, okay, you'll be together forever, may ganong energy, but hindi nawawala na parang may mga surprises pa rin. Good and happy surprises naman siya. Di ba? And whatever nga yung mga conflicts ninyo, Five of Wands, tapos nakakabit siya kay Seven of Cups is that yung mga conflict, di ba? Madali siyang i-let go. Okay? I-let go kasi yung parang for you, hindi siya yung mga incompatibilities for you is just a fantasy. Parang ganun. Kasi mahal nyo na isa't isa eh. Parang secure na kayo sa connection niyo na whatever man yung mga conflicts or incompatibility between the two of you before is something na na siya, na let go na siya, and it's just parang in the past. Hindi na siya nag-exist sa current relationship. And dito sa Ten of Pentacles, I can see here na yung connection nyo talaga very stable. Ito yung energy kasi ng settling down, si Ten of Pentacles. Parang sinasabi nga niya na okay na, this will really go long term. Tapos yung energy pa ng Wheel of Fortune lumabas. So it's something na parang alam nyo sa isa't isa na destined kayo yung meant to be. So you have that energy and the opportunity to really make this relationship even better. So yun. So sana nakatulong itong reading na to. Napaka ayos naman. It's just confirmation that everything is going well between you and your person. So tignan natin ano yung advice ni Universe sa inyo. Bubunot ako ng isang card from this oracle deck that would be the advice of the universe para sa inyo. Sige. Let's see. Passion, diba? Full of passion talaga tong connection ninyo. Full of love, full of nurturing energy. Parang sinasabi lang ni universe to really keep and maintain this passion of providing each other a nurturing love. So, dapat tuloy-tuloy lang, a long-term relationship, hindi nawawala yung pagiging passionate. Okay? Sa connection, sa love, sa relationship, diba? And, kaya din, halos ang daming lumabas na wands because wands is a suit of desire and passion. Alright, so kita-kits na lang muli sa susunod ko pang love reading. Ako nga pala muli, si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Miss Mo. Ingat!